Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Shyam Isaiah. I hope you're doing great. In 3 weeks back, I invested around 1,60,000 in Titan company, which is the top 50 companies in India. I made a return on investment of more than 9%, which adds up to 14,000 in profits. So I'll explain the logic like how I entered the stock, where is my stop loss, and where is my target. So if you're watching the video for the first time, please hit the like button and please subscribe. It will add up a motivation to me, and thank you guys for watching. Hello friends, this is Titan company on weekly time frame. So what do you see on the weekly time frame? The stock has been on a continuous uptrend, right? And it has been forming higher highs, right? And the company is forming, the stock is forming higher lows, right? And you see higher lows here, and you see higher lows, and you see the higher lows here, right? The stock has not been closing below this low, right? So it signifies there is a huge uptrend in this place. And how did I take up a trade in this and make 14,000? So you see, right, on the daily time frame, you see the stock is in a support zone, right? So you see this is one of the support. The stock took the support here and it moved up, and what happened, the stock came here, making a pin bar candle over this place. The stock went up and came down again, testing this level, and the stock gave a huge move over this place, right? And then what happened, I was waiting for the price to come to this same level that is called support level, right? And then what happened, the stock came down, and I wanted some confirmation or some kind of a consolidation over this place. So what happened, the stock gave a consolidation forming a double bottom, right? After the break of the neckline, the stock gave a huge move. You see this move, right? This move gave me a confirmation that the buyers are present over this place. You see there is a huge buying pressure over this place, right? It has just engulfed all the previous candles, or the previous consolidation was being engulfed by this only one big huge red candle. So where did I take up a trade? Did I enter here? No, I didn't enter that, but I entered exactly on this retracement. I put my order exactly at this place. I invested 1,60,000 in this trade, and I put my stop loss below this candle. And then where did I made my exit? I just exited exactly on this green color candle. You see a resistance over this place, right? You see once it has acted as a support here, and then the support was broken and the support turned into a resistance over this place. And what happened, so I exactly entered at this green color candle, and my risk to reward was 1:2.45. okay, so means if you're risking around 1,000 rupees, you're gonna make at least 2,500 rupees in this trade. So this was all about the trade that I taken in Titan. So if you're watching the video for the first time, please don't mind liking the video, and please do hit the subscribe button, because it will add up a motivation to me to bring up many videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.